My name is Paul Toohey. I work with Capital Insulation Services of Maryland. Our parent company is American National Insulation. They are a nationwide company that installs in 34 plus states around the country, and we're out here at the Marriott headquarters project.
We started this project about a month ago, and it's 24 stories, I believe. And so far, we up on the 10th floor.
We're using the STI fast tack along the slab edge. We like this product a lot because you can install it even when bad weather's on the horizon. You don't got to worry about the material running down the curtain wall. It stays in place, it dries quick, and it goes on pretty smooth. And then the other system we're using is the quick clip system. We got the Z brackets and the U brackets that are going on the curtain wall. It's been great. Productivity's been much improved.
We can get 80 windows, 2 guys, 1 day. I think it's just amazing product we using it here.
Once they get it going and they get the system down on what they're doing, they can fly through a floor. So it's definitely a great system. I recommend it to anyone.
With this new product, I think it's just simple at all. Put the clips on the monitors, put the other metal, put the other 2 clips, done deal, put the insulation in.
You know, it's unbelievable the difference it is between your typical curtain wall install, insulation install, versus the typical install with the clips that we're doing. I mean, they fly.
With STI, when whatever we have issues, questions, or whatever, we call them, they answer right back, they email, they give us the paperwork, the properly way they handle it.
Between Eric LaCroix and Chris Perkins, our local guy here in DC area, it's been awesome. Any email, any phone call you got, any text message you send, you get a response right away. And it's not a brush-off response. I mean, they get into your question, they get into the details with you, they ask you questions that you don't think about. And I mean, it makes for a great relationship that we thoroughly enjoy.